If you're new to my channel, my name's Tristan and I'm going to the University of Durham in just a few weeks. So I thought that it'd be a good idea to get a new laptop because of how many things are going to be done online this year. Things like lectures and even some freshers events. So it's a good idea to have a decent computer ready for all those online activities. And I decided to go with the 2020 MacBook Pro with 512 gigabytes of storage. So this is the box that it comes in from the store. And then this is the box of the machine itself. I should also mention that if you decide to buy one at the moment from Apple, you get 10% off and you also get a pair of free AirPods included. And if you don't want them, then you can just sell them and you'll get a bigger discount. So this video is just a quick unboxing of this MacBook Pro, just to show you what's included and things like that. So I hope it's interesting. And if it is, then please leave a like below and subscribe if you want more university related content and content related to the University of Durham specifically. I'll be doing a law degree there over the next 3 years. Right, so this is the box that it comes in. Obviously it's surrounded in plastic. Before you would have to cut with a knife, but now they added these little tabs. You just pull, which allows you to then rip off the plastic. There she is, little tab to pull up, brand new. And I got it in the space gray color because I think it looks quite sleek. So let's put that to the side, see what else comes in the box. So also in the box, you get these little instruction, a charging brick and the USB-C cable. Okay, so that is everything that's in the box, the charger and the MacBook. That's basically it. You can bring in the MacBook Pro in all its glory. This lifts up, then it slides out. And when we open, there's a little protective film here for the screen and it turns on automatically. So there we go, she's turning on, and that was just the setup process.
Is the main language. Press the return key.
And she talks. But yeah, so I'll just go through the setup process and come back when it's all done. And there we go. Now it's all done. It's all set up. So now I've got to, obviously install things like Microsoft Word, which my university gives away for free, which is pretty nice. And there we go. It's all set up. You can see the touch bars there now. So now that it's all set up, I just wanted to mention that obviously laptops are an essential for most university students, especially this year that everything is, or so many things are going to be online. But at the same time, you shouldn't feel pressure to spend, quite a lot of money on a MacBook or on a similarly expensive Windows machine, because there are lots of cheaper options available. The best advice that I would give to anyone thinking about buying a laptop is to start by setting out the budget, the amount of money that you want to spend on it. And then you can work backwards so that you get the most amount of value for that money that you want to spend. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little unboxing. As always, if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you're interested in law or university related content, then please leave a like below and subscribe so that you see my future videos once I go to university in just a few weeks. So thanks for watching.